Hi guys, in this video we will learn about the display property in CSS. So what is the display property? The display property controls how elements behave in the layout of a web page. So we have these controls. First we have the display block. Block elements take up the full width of the container. They start on a new line. Examples with the tag div, p, or header 1. Even if they don't have content, they push the next element below. Second, we have the display inline. Inline elements only take up as much space as needed. They stay in line with other elements. For example, with the tag span a strong, you can't send with or height on inline elements. Third, we have the display inline block. This is a mix of both, inline-like behavior, but you can also set width and height. So, why is this important? It helps you control the spacing, layout, and how things flow together. So it's very important because you must have the control of your elements. So this is an example, creating in code. It shows 3 div boxes, one with block, one with inline, and one with inline block. So now we get it. Hats off to you. And now you know how the display property works. It is essential for building layouts and understanding how elements behave side by side. In the next video, we will learn how to control the size of elements. See you there.